Hey guys, we get a lot of questions from people that ask how long does it take to do a pawn. Pawns are simple, they're effortless, and they generally take about 15 minutes, so we're going to do that right now. We're going to walk you through what it is to do a pawn, okay?
Hi, I'm here to get a pawn loan. I have my piece of jewelry in hand and my legal driver's license, my ID card or passport will work. First I'm going to do is ask for you to look at my jewelry. What do you think? What kind of loan can I get, Tom?
So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to evaluate your ring. We're gonna look at the center stone. We're gonna look at the quality, any stampings on the inside, any buyer's identification marks on the inside of the ring, anything that'll help us get to a price. We generally look at the fair market value of the product. So you got to come in with a valid driver's license or a valid U.S. issued form of ID. That's important. Without that, we can't do the loan. Huh. Okay, so this says that there's some markings on the inside. That's great. We're going to test it. We're going to use some acid. We're going to scratch this ring on the stone. And we're going to transfer some of the material. And then we're going to test it with an acid and see what we get. Okay, all looks good. We're going to go to the next step. Okay, so that's great, Michelle. We've evaluated your ring and used our extensive database to come to a final price of about $250 for your ring. We'd like to offer you a loan for about $175 to $200. Does that work for you?
Yes, Tom, that sounds good. I'll take the loan for $175. Can you explain the terms and the fees that'll accompany that loan?
Oh, that's great, Michelle. We're happy to help. Absolutely. Pawn loans in the state of California are typically 4 months in duration. So on your particular loan, you'll have 90 days to make that the payment will stay the same, but you'll have 4 months. At the end of the 4 months, we're going to send you out if your piece goes into default, a 10-day notice. By law in the state of California, we send what's called a 10-day notice after your loan goes into default. You'll have 10 days to make good on the loan. All you have to do with us is come in and pay the interest that's owed on the ring, and we'll rewrite the loan and start it new, and you'll have another 4 months, or you can come and pay it off. The ring's always yours. It belongs to you. We provide insurance through Lloyd's of London up to the value of the loan too, Michelle. Does that explain pretty much everything that you need to know?
Great, so I can pick it up at any time, and essentially I have 4 months from today's date.
That's right. You have 4 months, and you can pick it up at any time.
Okay, where do I sign? Let's do it.
Well, that's great. So the next step is I'm going to take your driver's license and I'm going to run it through my scanner, and it's going to populate the data fields in our computer, and then that's going to create the form that we'll need you to sign. Okay, Michelle, so basically you're going to want to sign the top and bottom portion of that form right there.
And why am I signing this? Should I be reading?
Well, yeah, you should read every line on that document there. That's basically your agreement to follow the rules and regulations as pursuant to this contract. So the top portion is the agreement to the loan. The bottom portion is basically you're attesting that that's your property. So sign that. Now you're going to take a right thumbprint, Michelle, and put it right inside that box. Got to be clear. Go ahead and depress it in the box. Perfect. Beautiful thumbprint. Turn the sheet over. And this is the declaration of ownership. You're going to sign that. You're going to say, put the date, the approximate date when you acquired the property. You're going to initial if you've purchased it, found it, or if it was a gift.
What if it was a gift?
Well, then you're going to put your initials there. And if it was a gift given to you by somebody else, you're going to need to put the name down there. And then sign the bottom of the form. Okay?
Great.
That's it.
So excited. Thank you.
15 minutes, and I'm going to pay you right now, and hopefully you're a happy customer. We'll see you when you're ready to come and repay your loan.
Thank you.
Bye. Okay, guys, so that's an abbreviated version. There's more information on our website. You can go to www.pawnshield.com, look at the FAQs, and we kind of lay out everything you need to know about a pawn loan, okay? The guidelines from the state of California. All pawn shops are regulated by the state of California and work closely with local law enforcement. So if you need a pawn loan or anything, come and see us. Hope to help you out.